Oh, this is also yellow. Okay.
Okay, let's start for the today's day. Good evening, everyone, for the Showstoppers Toastmasters Club meeting number 18. And before we begin with anything else, I want everyone to switch on their cameras, their mics, and please stand up. 3 instructions. Switch on your mics, switch on your cameras, and please everybody stand up. I am watching all. I can still see some people's cameras are not on.
Stand up. Oh my God.
Cameras on, everybody.
Are we dancing?
That's the thing.
Let's see.
Okay.
Yes. So today's theme, I think everybody else is knowing, is laughter. Okay, so let's begin by first doing this. Can somebody do this? All of you, please do this. This is nothing but we are just getting rid of all the disappointments, or the rubbishness around us, the judgment that people are doing to us. Just
Shalma is not doing. Shalma is not doing, teacher.
Shelma, Flemmy, do it. Tell me, I can see you not doing it. Stand up.
Flemmy also is not doing it, no? Yeah, I know.
Now you know something.
Manpreet is also not doing. Manpreet is also not doing.
Not doing. Manpreet, wake up.
Okay, I'll try it in office.
Now I want everybody to bring the hands forward like this, wide open. Can you see me? Wide open, and do claps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And say, ha, ha, ho, ho, ha, ha, Okay, can you feel the tingling in your hands?
Yes.
So you all are alive.
Wow.
And see, in laughter yoga, they have a saying that fake and make it. Because what they say is that laughter, if you fake it or it's real, the brain senses the same thing. So now we should what do? We should active a brain. So let's wash it. How? Let's unzip a brain first. Put your hand here. And with the sound ah, let's unzip it. Open it. Take it out.
Oh my God. It's wiggly.
Wash. Ha 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 ha. Hey, brain is white and shiny. Don't put it back in. But I think it needs still a little bit of cleaning. So let's take out a mental floss. This is a mental floss. Everybody take it out.
Yeah, okay.
Your head.
Okay.
Put it behind your head and go, ah, ha, ha. Hey, that's it. Clap, clap. Everybody, let's
Hey, I didn't zip the brain back.
Now,
Zip it back.
Huh? What
Yeah,
is it?
Zip it back.
We did not keep our brains back. You just asked us to zip it up.
Don't need to repeat it again?
Zip it back, right? Surabhi, come on.
Zip it back.
We have to
How
zip
do
it
they
back.
are?
I've already placed it and then I was dental floss too. Anyway,
Okay.
everybody now sit, relax, keep your hands over your chest. Okay, one more thing. Switch off your mics now. No need for mics. Just keep the cameras on. Please, everybody seated. Let's start the Showstoppers meeting, and it has to start with the club mission. So here goes our club mission. Why my slide is not moving? Here it goes. And please everybody repeat along with me. The mission of a Toastmaster Club is to provide a mutually supportive and positive learning environment in which every individual member has the opportunity to develop oral communication and leadership skills, which in turn foster self-confidence and personal growth. Next, we have our ground rules. As usual, the first thing, keep the mobile phones switched off. But if you're using your mobile phones, keep them at the proper place. And then next is your screen. Keep the screen at a proper place so that we can see your face clearly. Applaud. Everybody, please applaud to people who are giving the speeches and who are leaving the speech. Both times, please applaud. And then, final. We are not supposed to talk about the 3 taboo topics, the sex, religion, and politics. This meeting is getting recorded. If anybody has any issues regarding it, please contact the XCOM, or you can message in the chat room. And please use the reaction buttons in the Zoom. It really gives you the boost. If you're not able to use the mic, please use those. With that, the next is, yes, let us come together to wish to the 3 Leos of our club, or I must say the 3 lioness of the club, Toastmaster Anita, Toastmaster Shelma, and Toastmaster Amita. A very happy birthday and have a fabulous year ahead. With this, let me now end my session and call my president, Toastmaster Tina, a very active, sagacious, exciting, always enthusiastic person. Toastmaster Tina.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Surabhi. I think all the sleep cells which were sleeping has been awakened by you. So thanks to you for that. Good afternoon, all of you jovial Toastmasters and dear guests. Welcome to the Showstoppers Club. First of all, by the power vested in me, I would like to open meeting number 18 and welcome to every one of you. We have few of our Toastmasters here who have accepted our invite and is also playing certain roles with us, and I would just like to acknowledge them. We have here with us Toastmaster Varita, who is the IPP of her home club, the Keynoters Club, the current VP Ed of the Gardens Toastmasters, and also a member of the SSY Toastmasters. She's already completed one path and dynamic leadership is already on the way to another one. So kudos to you. Welcome, Toastmaster Varada. Welcome to the Showstoppers Toastmasters. We also have with us, of course, our Assistant Area Director, Program Quality, Toastmaster Asha George with us. Her home club is the Muhesna Toastmasters. She's also accepted our invite and she's here. So welcome, Toastmaster Asha. To the Showstoppers. Then we have with us Toastmaster Satya, Toastmaster Raka, who has come to Showstoppers from Rendezvous Toastmasters. We have a guest, Meenu, who's I think a guest of our own Toastmaster Sujaya. Welcome Meenu, welcome to the Showstoppers. We have Toastmaster Prema, who is also from Pioneers. She's also here with us. We have Toastmaster Alka, who's also from Muhesna Toastmasters. We have Rama, also here. Welcome Toastmaster Rama also to the Showstoppers Toastmasters. Welcome to each and every one of you, and I'm hoping that by the end of this meet, if not you're guffawing with your belly aching laughter, you're at least leaving Showstoppers with a smile on your face. So next, let me start by commemorating our founding father, Mr. Ralph C. Smedley, who actually founded this in 1924 with the aim to improve his employees' leadership and communication skills. Now, what started as a small club in the basement of YMCA has multiplied worldwide to around over 143 countries with over 16,000 clubs. And what happens in a club? What happens in a club meeting is basically we have impromptu speeches, we have prepared speeches, we have evaluations and feedbacks happening, which in turn actually removes your public speaking fear, improves your listening skills, and also helps you to start thinking on your feet and start to actually pull your thoughts together and actually say something that makes sense. And that is exactly what Toastmasters is. It's a wonderful platform to improve whatever inherent skills you have and also develop new skills that you probably didn't have initially. Now, Toastmasters is not just about skills, it's also about education. And a very important part of Toastmasters education is the Pathways program. Now, this is an ingenious program that was started by Toastmasters, which actually helps you improve your skills and not only inherently what you have, but also helps you apply it in like real life scenario. Like for example, in delivering a social speech or probably, creating a blog or creating a podcast and so forth. And these are formed in different pathways. And these are the pathways that is being provided in Toastmasters. There are 11 paths, We have dynamic leadership, motivation strategies, innovation planning, and depending on exactly what is the skill that you want to improve, you can choose a path. And in each path, there are different levels. There are 5 levels, and each levels have different projects which you have to undertake, which also kind of takes you through the process of A to Z of actually improving and honing your skills from A to Z. Now, once you've improved your skills, you have this new skill that you've shown off. It's not just what you have shown, you also have a certificate of proficiency that is sent through from the Toastmasters International, which you can keep in. It is like a feather in your hat. It is the proof of your hard work, of your efficiency, of your learning. And this is what we have also shown. We have many of our members who have actually shown out their certificate or their proficiencies. We have Toastmaster Amita, who's already passed her level 2 and level 3. We have Toastmaster Shelma, who's passed her level 1. So Toastmaster Surabhi, level 1 again, and Toastmaster Masrat, level 1. Congratulations to each and every one of you. I know every one of us is trying to improve and to actually reach this particular step. And I'm congratulating each and every one of you for your efforts. So now over to the actual crux of the meeting, as we say, is the TMOD, what do you say? The captain of the ship, I could say probably, or the master of ceremony who will be steering this meeting through. So the theme for today is, of course, I'm sure by our outfit itself, you can see we are all in smiley yellows. I would like to just, think of a story that I was just reading recently. There was a small girl called Sundari. Now she had this problem of just laughing for every single thing. And anything that happens, if something falls, she's sitting and laughing, holding her belly. If someone does something really funny, she's immediately laughing. So much so that her friends started ostracizing her, saying that she is a little bit crazy because she is always laughing. So that means there's something wrong with her. And she was so upset that she was being put aside by her friends that she went to her brother and she started crying there. She said, why is everyone finding something wrong with me laughing? She said, so her brother consoled her and said, don't worry, Sundari, there's nothing wrong with you laughing. Laughter is a very normal thing for any person to do. It is actually making you more healthy. It's actually making all the endorphins actually go run through your body and making you much more healthier and, happier. So don't worry about what others think. Laugh away and make sure that you're spending each day with at least a little bit of laughter to bring a lot of sunshine into your lives. And to bring a little bit of sunshine for the next 2 hours, let me pass on our platform, online platform, to our TMOD, the team, the Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Shobha. Over to you.